It's done. There. What is it? You know when you get those like picture frames and that, and there's two holes 100 millimeters apart, or so I made this. You can put a tack in the center, then you got a level so you can level it, and then these two inner holes are 60 millimeters apart, 65, 70. I'm sorry, 80, 70, 90, 100, 110, 120. And so then you can put this on the wall, and these are tipped at 30 degrees in here, so then you can put mark them, even tap a nail, start a hole, and that gives you a little tool to put those two pins in, so then you can hang your picture or hang your light, like that light over there. I used it to hang that light right there. Technically, I used the prototype. I didn't get my hole quite right for my level, but it works good. So if you'd like to download and print or use the 2-hole clock picture frame mounting tool, you can find it on makerworld.com.